Wow, she look nice. You look really good.
Thanks.
I don't want you to get hit by a car. What's your name? Leah?
Yeah.
I'm Tico. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You know, approach you. I don't want to disturb you, waste your time and none of that. Let me get your number real quick. Let me find out a little more about you.
I don't give out my number.
You don't give out your number?
No.
Wow.
I just don't like giving my number out to people for real.
Let me get your Instagram. I don't really do social media, but
You don't do social media?
I don't like social media.
I don't know if I want to get to know you for real.
Why was wrong?
You're cleaning the windows for work, right? You make like $2 an hour.
You better stand on that. Those worse and worse by the day, bro.
I thought you were cleaning the windows. This is your car?
Table's turn, huh?